Today I'm using the Zoom Precision tools to engrave with my Silhouette machine. Please see my description for the link to my Amazon store on purchasing these tools for your machine. First, I open up my Silhouette Studio. I'm using a 1-inch metal circle pendant that came from the Zoom Precision kit. In the Silhouette Studio, I size down the art to fit the 1-inch pendant. I then click Design, which takes me to the settings. I choose Heavy Cardstock. I'm going to run a regular piece of paper through before the metal pendant, so these first settings are just a 10 to cut through the heavy paper, and I choose a regular speed. Then I take a regular piece of paper and mat and feed the Silhouette machine. Once I've cut out the design, I leave the mat in the Silhouette machine and pull the design out. This is where I'm going to place my metal piece to engrave. Then I use double stick tape to place the metal piece in that exact spot. Then I return to the Silhouette software, but make sure the settings are set to the highest force but the lowest speed so I can engrave. I run this first design through 2 passes. You can run it up to 10 passes if you want it to be deeper. The last thing I do is pull the blue film layer to finish. And that's it. I decided to run a second design through with 5 passes to see how that did. I'm loving this engraver and I'm going to work on more projects to see what it's capable of. Check out my Amazon store for links for your specific machine. I can't wait to see what you make with these Cricut and Silhouette files. Tag me at Karina Gardner Ink Club so I can see your projects.